In this video, I'm going to show you how to move files from a USB drive to the computer and the other way around, from the computer to the USB drive. So the first thing I'm going to do is plug in a USB drive, which I've done. Now sometimes you'll get a little pop-up in the lower right-hand corner that will show you that you've plugged that in, but because I use mine all the time, that's not happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File Explorer, which is down in the taskbar. That's one way of getting it. If for some reason you don't have File Explorer, you can go to the Start menu and right-click, and you'll see File Explorer about 5 selections from the bottom. So I'm going to open File Explorer, and when I do that, I have mine in the view to show this PC and all the drives, and I can see the USB drive over here. It's drive F. Now, if you don't have this view, and we do have a video on how to change that view, but if you don't have it, if you look in the left-hand column and scroll down, and if you expand this PC, you'll see everything that's available. But below that, here's my F drive. So now I'm going to click on the F drive, and here are all the files that are on that drive. Now let's suppose that I wanted this autorun.inf file, and I'm going to put it in my documents. So what I would do on the right-hand side, I'm going to left-click one time, and then I'm going to then hold down the left, and I'm going to drag it to Documents where it says Copy to Documents. And I'm going to let go of it. And now if I go into Documents and look, I'm going to find that file. And here it is, autorun.inf. That's the file I just moved over there into my documents. So that's how easy it is to move a file from a USB to the computer. Now, from the computer back to the USB is just as easy. It's just the other direction, that's all. So I'm going to go here to Downloads. On the left-hand side, I've clicked on Downloads. And I have this file called the Firmware Upgrade Wizard. And I want to put that on my USB. So again, on the left, I'm going to scroll down. Now I'm going to click on the Firmware Upgrade. Then I'm going to hold down the left button. I'm going to drag down to the F. And you see it says Copy to the USB F drive. I'm going to let go. Now if I click on that, there's my Firmware Upgrade Wizard on the drive. Now I'm going to close File Explorer. Don't forget that when you put a USB drive in, you need to eject it. So I'm going to go down and click on the icons. I'm going to find my little icon where it says Safely Remove Hardware and Eject Media. I'm going to left click on that. And now it says Eject the USB flash memory, which is the F drive. That's the one I was working with. So now I'm going to click on that. And it now gives me this window that says Safe to Remove Hardware. And now I can remove my USB drive. It's that easy.